Oh, yeah, there's the CRJ. It's upside down.
Holy jeez, man. We're at the Toronto Pearson. Me and Michael just thought we'd come here to see like the planes land, but a plane just crashed, I think. Did it crash?
Yeah, it's a CRJ.
So it was landing and the plane crashed. It's right over here, guys. Holy cow. Michael. Oh my God, guys. Look at, there it is. Is it upside down? Oh my God. Oh my God. There's a truck.
Yeah.
This is insane.
Tail's gone.
Look at everybody's coming out now.
The tail. Okay. Yeah, but
Oh, the plane that was up there, that was the next one, it did a go around. It didn't land, it did a go around.
They would have to do a go around.
Yeah. Oh my God, oh, you can see the smoke coming out of it right there, look.
No, the trucks, I see headlights. The RFI? Oh yeah, those are trucks.
Oh, I see the trucks right there.
There's an area ambulance.
Yeah.
Pointing up.
So we got everybody's here watching.
Was a small plane that came in and landed.
It's that CRJ. Wow. That CRJ over there was.
Oh, there's the ambulance right there. That's the orange, right?
Yep, that's it. Okay, let me see how I can get on the discrete version.
Well, Air Orange is landing now. We're at Pearson Airport, everyone, and we have a plane crash. This is crazy. Oh, you can see the emergency vehicles right there. Holy Jesus. So what do you think? How many people are on that plane, you guys think? Let's hope everybody's okay. Michael, is that crazy? It's pretty cold, guys. Hey, do you want to go back to the car? Okay, let's go back to the car. I hope everybody's okay. This is crazy. Turn the car around. Wow. We're all parked here, right by the airport. Woo, this is insane. This is insane.